So here's my first attempt at making a homemade Allsky camera. I followed some directions I found online. I put my Raspberry Pi on a piece of wood, some cable guides, etc., a little cardboard to tension it inside of the 4-inch PVC. Probably way too much clearance for the camera. Got a 150 millimeter or 150 degrees lens on the top, and yes, it is USB 3. So that's the Pi, and I got a little pull chain to get it out because it tensions in pretty tight. Now the tube itself has a 4-inch plastic dome on top, plenty of sealant because it actually leaked on my first tests. But basically, we're going to shove this bad boy up inside here. And once we put it all together, it's POE'd. And we feed the cable through the other side here.